Phoenix Contact, innovation in interface. Audi Neckarsulm, home of a unique aluminium competence and production site of the A6 and A8 models. The latest addition to the aluminium family is the Audi A2, the first large-scale series production aluminium vehicle. Along for the ride, Interbus, the fast sensor actuator bus from Phoenix Contact. The body components are shaped up in the press shop. Gripped fully automatically and pressed in several operating cycles, engine hoods, doors and side panels are produced from one single piece of material, unique in automobile production. The pre-assembly stage, laying the foundations for a new vehicle. The pneumatic clamps receive the commands from Interbus to fix the individual components in place, and then the process begins. 4 welding robots guarantee perfect seams and extreme precision. Interbus is responsible for the necessary data exchange between the robot and the welding controller. When all the welding processes have been completed, the OK is given to remove the finished frame. Particular know-how is required when working with aluminium. Being a light metal, it reacts differently to sheet steel when processed. And particular consideration is paid to this fact when manufacturing the A2. One of the highlights is the roller seaming. Once the inner and outer sheets have been fixed in place, 2 robots go to work with their metal rollers. The edges of the outer sheet are folded in several steps, carefully, without causing cracks in the metal. And something the team in Neckarsulm is particularly proud of, laser welding. The robot modules by Phoenix Contact come into play here. Robust metal housings to withstand the harshest industrial environments. Far too harsh for us, we'll just watch the whole thing on the monitor instead. 3000 watts measured and aimed with extreme precision connect the components to each other reliably. Motor starters by Phoenix Contact are as resistant to wear as a laser. Valuable space is saved by them being mounted in the field. Even the underbodies are transported using Interbus motor starters. Short connecting cables minimize electromagnetic interference and the need for central switch cabinets. Let's move on to another highlight of the A2 pre-assembly stage. The body is formed out of the components. The construction station connects the underbody to the side panels and the roof frame to create a single unit. Handling robots, driven hydraulically, insert the side panels into the frame and then secure them. The pressure needed for this is generated above the station by 2 hydraulic units. Integration in the bus topology is decentral and space-saving with sensor-actuated boxes by Phoenix Contact. A glimpse behind the scenes allows us to see the heart of the automation, the control system. The controller boards make it possible for all data to reach its destination via optical fibers. Right next to these is Interbus ST, the smart range of modules by Phoenix Contact. The modules with a pluggable electronics module are able to receive digital and analog signals. Space-saving and service-friendly for high system availability. Power is supplied by Quint Power, the new generation of primary switched mode power supply units by Phoenix Contact. With TMC, the thermomagnetic line protection system, the individual circuits are reliably protected. Interbus gateways provide for information exchange with other systems in the switch cabinet as well as decentrally in the terminal box. The highlight in automobile manufacture is known as the marriage. Always exciting and barely comprehensible to the layman, the right power unit meets up with the right body. They're both bolted together in a fully automatic process and, on the rolling dynamometer, provide the final evidence that they're meant for each other, for life. Audi and Interbus, making light work of field wiring for light cars. Phoenix Contact, innovation in interface.